So friends, today in this video we are watching the beautiful bathroom tiles designs. These are all the latest designs with different colors. So friends, in this video we are going to know that how to choose the best bathroom tiles. One of the many choices you will have to make when renovating or making a new bathroom in your home is selecting the tiles which you anticipate will be the most pleasurable. They likely will be the first thing you notice because they set the tone for the finish, space, overall the appearance and feel. We have the two types of tiles like ceramic and glaze where vitrified tiles features on top with the durability and design options because they won't allow bacteria and odors to thrive and are resistant to dampness, stains and scratches to the surface. They are a fantastic option for the bathroom. For a sleek, opulent appearance, vitrified tiles provide a broader variety of hues and patterns. Some of the features which make vitrified tiles uniquely fit for bathroom floor include even the ceramic tiles because both are easy to maintain, wide range of designs options. It is quietly affordable compared to other materials. Choose the right finish, different space within the outside the house. Smooth finishes. Tile will always be a simpler to clean. Water may have a greater propensity to collect on deeply embossed tiles, naturally occurring tiles with deep and crevice pebble tiles. So keep in mind that you may need to be a little more diligent about cleaning program. Consider your ability to maintain your bathroom tiles over its entire lifespan when choosing your tiles. There you can see in this video there are the beautiful color tiles with different shades with different color combinations. Another thing to be considered is the right tile size depends on the available space and the type of ambience you want to build. You can also use different types of floor and wall tiles to make your areas according. You can select the best tiles according to your room. So generally speaking, you might want to wait to use any large format tiles in the space. If your room is small, choose the tiles that fit for your room size such as mosaic tiles for a small rooms or a medium size tiles for a bathroom that is between size. If you need some assistance in this area, check through how to choose the tiles. Like in this video I have shown you the different tile size designs. Another points to consider is the shower area. In general, you should use floor tiles for shower floors or pans which can offer proper slope for water drainage. The best size of this area would be 30 by 30 centimeter to 60 by 60 centimeter depending upon the bathroom size. Bigger bathrooms can also use tiles with size up to 50 into 110 centimeter. Glass vitrified tiles are the best material for the application in shower area on walls and floors. The concept is that you need tiles small enough so that you can have soft counters to pitch the flooring correctly. This will help the water to properly run toward a central drain and avoid the buildup of slush. Wall tile for bathroom. Bathroom walls typically look their best with tiles larger than 30 by 30 centimeter. The sizes you can consider would include 30 into 45 centimeter or larger size like 50 by into 110 centimeter for bigger bathrooms. Rectangular tiles like 30 by 45 or 60 by 120 centimeters are perfect for bathroom walls when you are covering the wall up to the ceiling. Large size tiles, for example 30 by 45 centimeter or 30 by 60 centimeter, can be laid horizontally for a better appearance and fitting. Like since bathroom also features a 1 by 2 size ratio, 1 is to 2 ratio, subway tiles are also favorite. Consider employing. They are also long, last, narrow as possible. Two panels of a wall tile are frequently separated by ornamental tiles. Another point is the choose the right quantity, area and use of calculating. Once you have decided the material, design, textures and size of the tile, the only thing left is to figure out the quantity you need. You can use the tile calculator for the same and take care of the following. Find a design you adore and use that as a starting point when selecting the bathroom tiles. Ceramic and vitrified tiles with a rating of 0.43 are the most popular and recommended for bathroom floors and walls because of the excellent grip and the waterproof. There you can see in this video I have shown you the beautiful different color combinations of tiles for your bathroom.